Welcome, students. We are going to discuss the chapter that is The Making of a Scientist by Robert W. Peters. When we focus on the title of this chapter, here scientist refers to Richard Albright. This title suggests us how Albright has become a famous scientist. In other words, we can say that this chapter tells us how Richard Albright has become a famous scientist. One thing remember, Albright was lover of butterflies. He used to collect butterflies in his childhood. Now, how his this hobby compelled him to become a scientist. In this chapter, we will also see who helped him to become a famous scientist. This chapter talks about the person who helped Albright to become a famous scientist. Before the beginning of this chapter, we will focus on the author of this chapter, The Making of a Scientist. Remember, the writer is Robert W. Peterson, who was a author of magazine articles and books, and his famous work was Only the Ball Was White. Only the Ball Was White was his famous work. Okay, so that is the simple introduction of Robert W. Peterson. And one thing remember, this chapter only describes the development of Albright as a scientist. Now we proceed to para number 1 of this chapter. See, at the age of 22, a farmer, Scout of the Year, excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. That was the discovery made by Albright, how cells work. Richard Albright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. That is very important. That their journal was published. Scientific journal was published. And this is the work of the college students. First time it happened. In sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15, hitting a home run your first at bat, and for Richard Albright, it was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields, and it all started with butterflies. So in the beginning of the paragraph, we have noticed that the scientific journal, which was written by the college students, it was first published, and it made something new in the world of science. After that, we will see the interest of Albright. You see the line. It all started with butterflies. means it all started with butterflies refers to that in the next coming paragraphs we will see how the hobby of Hebride has helped him to become a good scientist, a famous scientist. See, an only child, Hebride grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. So Hebride belonged to Pennsylvania. There was not much I could do there, he said. This is the opinion of Hebride. There was not much I could do there. I certainly could not play football or baseball with a team of one. He's saying this is the you can say opinion of Hebride. So पैरा नंबर 1 में हमने देखा कि जो साइंटिफिक जर्नल जो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स ने लिखा वो पब्लिश हुई पहली बार और ये कुछ अलग था, स्पोर्ट्स से भी अलग था और ये एब्राइट की एक अचीवमेंट थी साइंस के फील्ड में अन्य फील्ड्स की अपेक्षा। ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? बटरफ्लाइज के थ्रू। जैसा पहले ही बताया था कि एब्राइट जो है लवर है क्या? कलेक्शन ऑफ बटरफ्लाइज का। एब्राइट बिलोंग करता है पेंसिल्वानिया से। वो खुद कहता है वहाँ पे कुछ भी करने के लिए नहीं है। आई सर्टनली कुड नॉट प्ले फुटबॉल और बेसबॉल विद अ टीम ऑफ वन। वो वहाँ पे फुटबॉल या बेसबॉल नहीं कह सकता एक टीम के तौर पर। मतलब उसका कहना है कि पेंसिल्वानिया में कुछ भी नहीं किया जा सकता है, वहाँ पे फुटबॉल नहीं खेला जा सकता, बेसबॉल नहीं खेली जा सकती है। एक चीज़ याद रखना है, ये चैप्टर केवल एब्राइट के साइंटिस्ट बनने की एक कहानी है। ओके, नाउ वी प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। सी, so Hebride belonged to Pennsylvania. He believed that there was nothing to do. Then what he was doing there? But there was one thing I could do. We are reading the opinion of Hebride, what he believed. He belonged to Pennsylvania and he himself said that there was nothing to do. He couldn't play football or baseball as the member of any team. He said he did one thing there, collect things. So what did Hebride do? He collected several things. He himself said that in Pennsylvania he could not do anything. He could do only one thing, collect things. So he did. What did he do? He collected the things. And did he ever? Beginning in kindergarten, Hebride collected butterflies with same determination that has marked all his activities. So, Hebride said, in his childhood, he used to collect things. And what did he collect? He had collected butterflies with full determination. He also collected rocks, fossils, coins. So, Hebride said one thing, he spent his childhood, he spent his beginning in kindergarten by collecting butterflies, collecting rocks, fossils, coins, etc. He became an eager astronomer. You see the meaning of astronomer, an expert in or student of astronomy. A student of astronomy is also known as astronomer. He became an eager astronomer too, sometimes stargazing all night. Second thing, what did he do? In night, he used to gaze the stars. He used to spend his time gazing the stars the whole night. He spent his whole night gazing towards stars. So these are the primary activities of Ebright. What did he do? He collected things. Things here refers to butterflies, fossils, rocks, and coins. Second thing, what did Ebright do? He spent his whole night gazing towards stars. From the first, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. Means from beginning, he had driving curiosity. His curiosity drove him. His curiosity motivated him. His curiosity provoked his bright mind. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. That is very important aspect of Ebright's life. Mother. Mother encouraged him in learning. She encouraged his interest in learning. That is very important. That is a very important aspect of Ebright's life. She took him on trips. Now we are discussing the several activities done by his mother in order to increase his interest in learning. What did she do? She took him on trips, bought him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, mounting materials, and other equipment, and helped him in many other ways. So here we are saying that mother is playing very important role in Ebright's life. Okay, or in the development of Ebright's mind, mother had played an important role. She provided him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, mounting materials, other equipments, helped him in many other ways. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. This is the remark of mother. She said, I was his only companion until he started school. When he started school at that time, she was his companion. After that, I would bring home friends for him, but at night we just did things together. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in third grade. So, in this paragraph, number 2, we have noticed the activities of Ebright. His activities refers to the collection of butterflies, collection of rocks, fossils, coins. He was eager to spend his whole night gazing towards stars. His curiosity motivated him a lot. His mother also helped him a lot. She helped him by encouraging his interest in learning. For this, she took him on several trips. She provided him telescope, microscopes, cameras, mounting materials, etc. Mother said she was only his companion when he started school. After that, I would bring home friends for him, but at night we just did things together. Richie was my whole life. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in third grade. Ebright's father died when Richie was in third grade. So पैरा नंबर 2 में हमने देखा कि एब्राइट की हॉबी क्या थी. एब्राइट जो है पेंसिल्वानिया में रहता है. वहाँ पे उसे करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन वो एक कुछ चीज़ें करता है, जैसे बटरफ्लाइज कलेक्ट करना, रॉक कलेक्ट करना, फॉसिल्स, कॉइन्स कलेक्ट करना उसकी हॉबी थी। इसके अलावा वो रात अपनी कैसे व्यतीत करता था, तारों को देख करके। और उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी उसको बहुत प्रभावित करती थी, उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी उसके माइंड को डेवलप करती थी। और उसकी मदर ने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल किया उसकी लर्निंग को इंकरेज करने में। वो उसको ट्रिप पे ले जाया करती थी। उसकी मदर ने उसे एब्राइट की मदर ने उसे टेलीस्कोप, माइक्रोस्कोप, कैमराज, माउंटिंग मटेरियल्स सारी चीज़ें उपलब्ध कराईं। उसकी मदर का कहना था कि जब वो स्कूल जाने लगा तो उसका केवल एक ही कंपेनियन थी, कौन? उसकी माँ। और इसके बाद वो उन वो फ्रेंड्स लाया करती थी, मदर फ्रेंड लाया करती थी एब्राइट के लिए, और रात में वो साथ में रहा करते थे। और जैसा कि कहा कि मैक्सिमम टाइम एब्राइट जो है तारों को देखा करता था। और उसकी बहन रिची थी, जो कि 3rd ग्रेड में जब थी तो उसके फादर की डेथ हो गई। सो डेट द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन वी collected regarding Richard Albright.